everyone, we have a new take-home packet for you, so I am going to show you what's inside and how to make it. This one is a hot chocolate pocket for Valentine's Day. So inside you'll have your paper for your pocket and some hot chocolate, a little pattern paper, and a bit of ribbon. And from home you'll need to provide a glue stick or Elmer's glue, some kind of writing utensil, and scissors. So this one is super easy and it would make a great gift for someone quickly for Valentine's Day. So first things first, you cut out your mug here. Then you need to fold it over this way, like this. Match the two ends together and fold this side. And we're gonna glue all of these edges. So glue here and glue here. A little bit on this side. You don't need any on your handle. Then fold it back. Stick it together, and next you're going to make a little heart with this pattern paper. So I'm going to fold that in half, like this, and draw half a heart. And cut that out. And there's your cute little heart. And you're gonna glue that right on the middle of your mug. And then write a message to your Valentine. You warm my ... heart. Love, Emily. And then just slide in your hot chocolate. And there you go. There's your cute little craft. So you can pick one of these up at the Martinsburg Public Library starting today.